Hello Auto Warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna do the unboxing this Toyota Supra, and the item number is 1A655. And so right now we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Let's go. Okay, so before the video start, there's something I want to say is on unboxing video, usually there is, especially for the unit, there is a scoreboard at the end of the video, and that will shows what the stuff inside, and it's just basically review one more time. And but right now I decide I probably gonna remove that part, because I checked the time, like there's not that much people watching in that part, so usually people just skip that. So I don't want to waste your time, and also I can save my time as well. So for that scoreboard I would totally remove it. And the other thing is, because as people know, I'm living in Canada, and so right now, like, the shipping, everything is really crazy slow, because we don't have a dealer or supplier whatever in Canada. So everything we got is all from either US or Japan or anywhere from Asia, whatever. So that's take a long time for ship to Canada. So here I would decide later on I will still have my friend to take some photo and pictures about the detail for the car. So that way I can do the quick review video for the unit, especially for the new unit, and I can do it once it got released. So that way I can update the video on time when this just got released, so there's not much delay. Okay, let's start with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so let's start a quick review of this Supra. Okay, so this is the body. It's a color red, and also it's hard plastic, and this is the sticker for it. Okay, and also the chassis is MA chassis, and that's ABS chassis. Okay, color black, and then the parts is color black as well. Okay, and the size is medium size wheels, and it's PP, and this is the medium size soft tire. Okay, and the gear ratio for this car is 3.5 high-speed gear, and then there's nothing much special for it. Okay, so this is the unboxing for the Supra. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.